In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Systemi.io with Razorpay in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your payment processing or expand your business operations, linking these two platforms can significantly enhance your workflow. Let's dive into the process, ensuring that every step is clear and easy to follow. First, you'll need to have your Razorpay account key ID and key secret handy. These credentials are essential for connecting Razorpay to Systemi.io, so it's crucial that you have them ready to go. If you haven't already generated them, let me walk you through how you can do so. Begin by logging into your Razorpay account. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings menu. Within the settings, you'll find the API Keys section. This is where you can generate your key ID and key secret. Once generated, make sure to copy them somewhere safe as you'll need them shortly. Now that you have your Razorpay credentials ready, let's shift our focus to Systemi.io. Log into your Systemi.io account. If you're not familiar with this platform, it's an all-in-one business solution that seamlessly integrates various aspects of online business management. Once logged in, move your mouse over to your profile photo, which is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings and then look for Payment Gateways within the Settings menu. As you reach the Payment Gateways section, you'll notice an option for Razorpay. This is where you want to be to establish the connection. Click on Razorpay and then choose the Connect option. With this, you'll be prompted to input the credentials you previously obtained from Razorpay. Carefully paste your key ID and key secret into the designated fields. It's important to ensure that you paste these values accurately, as any errors here could prevent the integration from functioning correctly. Once both fields are filled in, there's just one more crucial step to finalize the connection. Be sure to save the settings. This action will secure your Razorpay credentials and complete the integration process, allowing you to start processing payments through Razorpay on Systemi.io seamlessly. And that's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully integrated Systemi.io with Razorpay. This integration will allow your business to handle payments smoothly and efficiently, providing a better experience for both you and your customers. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our content for other useful tips and tricks to optimize your online business operations.